Well, as Bharat awaits the return of Lord Ram to his rightful abode after 550 years, politics is casting a shadow over Astha of devout. After calling Ram a poll agent of the BJP and a symbol of Hindu Rashtra, now comes another shocker coming in from the India bloc. Sharad Pawar's leader now asserts that Ram ate meat. This comes from seasoned NCP leader Jitendra Ahwad, who now says that being a hunter in the jungle, Ram could not have been vegetarian. This, understandably, has led to a massive outrage from all quarters. And when confronted, Jitendra Ahwad expressed regret if his statement hurt anyone. But he defiantly reasserts that even Valmiki wrote about Ram eating meat. Listen into him shielding behind freedom of speech.
क्या और राम क्षत्रिय था, तो क्षत्रिय का खाना ही मांसाहारी होता है। कंट्रोवर्सी क्या, राम का खाना क्या था? कोई बता देवे कि राम मेथी की भाजी खाता था। आप अपने कहने पे कायम है, बिल्कुल इसको बिल्कुल कायम है। आप क्या भारत को शाकाहारी बनाना चाहते हैं क्या? इस देश के 80% लोग आज भी मांसाहारी है, ये रामभक्त है ना।
की जर माझ्या कालच्या वक्तव्यामुळे कोणाच्या भावना दुखवल्या गेल्या असतील तर मी त्याबद्दल खेद व्यक्त करतो। मला फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच आहे। आता वाल्मिकींनी जे लिहिलं तर तुम्हाला गुन्हा कोणावर दाखल करावा लागेल ते मला नाही बोलायचं। आता परत नवीन कंट्रोवर्सी होती, त्यामुळे मी गुन्ह्या बिन्ह्याला घाबरत नाही। लॉजिकली तुम्हाला माझ्याशी बोलायचं असेल तर या बोलायला, बाकी तुम्हाला लॉजिकच मान्य नाही हे दिसतंय, त्यामुळे मी खेद व्यक्त केला। अजून काय करायचं? की ज्यांना लॉजिकली भांडायचं नसतं त्यांचा हा मार्ग असतो की याला अटक करा, याला जेलमध्ये टाका।
My colleague Arunil Saradekar joining us on the broadcast. Arunil, what kind of a statement is that? First he said Ram ate meat, then he said he wants to apologize if his statement hurt any sentiments, but he went on to reassert what he has said, that Ram was eating meat.
Well, certainly, yes, Pratibha. Very defiant stance being given out by Jitendra Ahwad. He was speaking in Shirdi. That is when he was asked by the media personnel that you made a very controversial statement which has hurt Hindu sentiments. BJP as well as CM Shinde's party workers are lodging protest against you, are lodging police complaints against you across the state of Maharashtra. He said that I apologize if I have hurt any sentiments, but I never speak without any logic. This is the proof that I have. He gave out two documents. One was from an 1891 document in which he said that clearly it has been written as per our ancient Hindu scriptures that Lord Ram was staying in the jungles during his Vanvas and was indeed eating meat. Then he said that Valmiki has also written the same thing. So if you are lodging a police complaint against me, are you going to lodge a police complaint against Valmiki as well? In fact, we spoke to Mr. Abu Azmi now sometime back, Samajwadi Party leader. He has also backed Jitendra Ahwad's statement, saying that those BJP leaders who are asking for a meat ban, they will also eat meat on that day, but in a restaurant. And he said that whatever Ahwad is saying is true over here. He basically also hit out at Mr. Ram Kadam, the BJP MLA, saying that why are you asking for a meat ban when it is a Ramzan time for us? We never tell the people of India to observe fast for us. Then why are we forced to not eat meat on that day? These were the statements from Mr. Abu.
The question being, why are such statements being made at a time when the entire country is waiting for the consecration ceremony? But making matters worse, the NCP's India ally, the DMK, also said that it is possible that Lord Ram ate meat. Listen in.
Whatever he is living in the forest for 14 years as per the ruling of his father, he could not have prepared food with rice and other things. Maybe he might have consumed meat. Rice may not be available in the forest. So there is a possibility that he might have consumed meat.
Dharani joining us on the broadcast. Dharani, the India bloc leaders are only adding to the slander. First it was Jitendra Ahwad, now the DMK leader coming out in his support and saying yes, it is possible that Lord Ram ate meat.
Well, this is the former DMK MP TK Ilangovan telling that when Ram was sent to 14 years, to the forest by his own father, there is a possibility that Ram, could have consumed meat because, there was no possibility of getting rice, dal or other food materials, in the forest. So, the usual vegetarian, food materials in the forest. So, there is a strong possibility that Ram could have consumed meat is what TK Ilangovan is telling. So, he is not declaring that Ram consumed meat, but he is telling that there is a strong possibility that Ram could have eaten meat. This is what he is telling. So definitely, they are not refuting or they are not, refuting what the NCP leader Jitendra told. In fact, TK Ilangovan has his own theory that in the 14 years in the forest, Ram couldn't have had access to rice, dal or any other normal vegetarian food items. So there is a strong possibility that he could have eaten meat. He could have hunted and eaten meat.
Okay, all right. Dharani, thank you for joining us with those details. The BJP saying this is insult of Lord Ram. The India bloc leaders are insulting Hindu sentiments time and again.